In case you're wondering, I am making stuffed peppers, and this really did not take that long, and I was definitely feeling good after dinner. You know those days when you get off work and you're just so tired you don't feel like making dinner? Well, that was today. A quick thought of, hey, just pick up some food, run through the drive-thru, take it home. But that does not line up with my health goals. I quickly stopped by the grocery store, grabbed some peppers, some beef, and sausage, the healthy kind. I needed some hot sauce, and basically I had all the other ingredients at home. I started by cutting my peppers in half and cleaning all of the inside out. My husband had already started rice in the rice steamer. This particular rice steamer is on my Amazon storefront, and I will put the link in the description below. And I will also list all the ingredients and the recipe in the description as well. I don't eat pork very often, but the half pound of pork combined with the half pound of ground beef is an excellent combination for flavor. I just make sure I get quality. This is a local farm, and my ground beef is 100% grass-fed and finished. I combine the sausage and the ground beef with the steamed rice, organic corn, a can of diced tomatoes, and a drizzle of hot sauce, pepper and sea salt, garlic powder. Stir it all together, and then I just stuff the peppers. This beautiful 7-quart Dutch oven was actually a gift from a friend, but I have it on my Amazon storefront if you're interested. I have loved this for soups, stews, I've even baked bread in it, and so much more. This turned out so delicious and had so much flavor. After I'm finished stuffing all of the peppers, I add anything that is left on top. And then I add a little bit more of the seasonings, a little more sea salt, a little more pepper, and a little bit more garlic powder. You can even do a little drizzle of a clean ketchup. Don't knock it till you try it. Now I put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about an hour.